Hey everyone, this is Ali Advekili. I'm an attorney with Foley and Lardner, a global law firm with over 1,100 attorneys spread out over 25 offices. I'm joined here by my good friend and colleague Shabi Khan, who's an IP partner in our Boston office. And we both regularly work with startups and wanted to create a video series to tackle some of the questions, issues, and challenges that we see startups facing all the time. Great to have you, Shabi.
Great, Alida. Thanks for the introduction and pleasure to be on this webinar or video call with you. I know we've gone back and forth a couple of times on a bunch of different clients dealing with startup issues. It's always good to get your perspective on how startups should be thinking about starting up an entity. And oftentimes, I keep picking your brain on when is it the best time to create an entity for your startup?
It's a great question, Shabi, and I get that question all the time as well. What I oftentimes tell people is you need to sort of hit certain metrics before it's really time to set up your entity. So I usually think of it this way. If you are going to be hiring anyone, employees, consultants, if you are going to be signing any customer agreements, actually going out and commercializing your technology or your product, or you're in the process of starting to look at financing and getting investment from third parties, that's oftentimes a good indication that you should be setting up your entity. The other time we should be thinking about it is if you've got more than one founder, then it's helpful to set your entity up because you want to put into play the documentation, the structure that's going to be important for having multiple owners and allocating equity with regard to those different founders.